Hello everyone, welcome to the pilot launch of Karnataka Bank's Digital Human Interactive Relationship Assistant, or DhIRA as we call this digital agent. On behalf of DaveAI, Intel and all the dignitaries from Karnataka Bank, I'd like to welcome you all to this pilot launch event. Karnataka Bank's DhIRA is a digital human interactive relationship assistant, as the name goes by, which will serve as a digital agent to interact with customers, understand their preferences, and help them discover all the products and services, provide any kind of support that customers want for Karnataka Bank's online and offline channels. In this pilot, we are first launching DhIRA on a few select branches as a digital kiosk, where DhIRA will be in offline spaces trying to understand who is interacting with the kiosk and help them with a product discovery journey for a few products that Karnataka Bank has. DhIRA is powered by a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence platform. If I have to put it in simple words, DhIRA has a vision which allows DhIRA to, in a secure manner, understand who DhIRA is talking to, has speech and NLP capabilities, which enables DhIRA to have human-like two-way conversations, and of course is powered by an AI brain that enables DhIRA to understand the context of the conversation and provide relevant responses. This is just a beginning of a long journey, and along with this partnership with Karnataka Bank, with Intel, all this hardware is powered by Intel's compute and the technology platform that DaveAI enables. We look forward to creating successful deployments of DhIRA across different channels as we move forward and make this a truly unique and successful use case, delivering quantifiable business benefits for the bank, and also serve as an example of a state-of-the-art AI deployment in the banking and financial services sector. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the stakeholders from Karnataka Bank, especially the Digital Center of Excellence team. Right from the word go until through this journey of bringing DhIRA to life, firstly the amount of passion that the team has, along with a deep understanding of their customers, their customer segments, and the experience that they want to provide to their customers has been fascinating. It's been a great learning experience for us as a team, and we look forward to a successful pilot with DhIRA and taking this DhIRA experience to many more channels as we move forward. I hope this event gives you a quick glimpse onto what DhIRA is and the capabilities are. We look forward to bringing you more details on DhIRA in the coming days. Thank you.
Under the guidance of MD sir for the transformation, AI ML is one of the very critical aspects for the bank. And today we are doing a pilot launch for DhIRA. It is Digi Human Interactive Relationship Assistant. It is an AI ML based bot. It also has NLP features. In phase 1, we are putting kiosk in 3 branches and Digi branch, so that it can, we can understand the customer feedback and the reaction, and it also gives us time for the virtual robot to learn and become a lot more robust. The long-term plan is that we will put it in the website also for assisting all the customers through the transactions as well as navigation of the website. So today, we are going to launch this, and we have our partners DaveAI who have helped us work along with this. It's a small step towards the vision of being bank of future. And on that note, I would actually invite MD sir to give a little bit of his perspective. Please.
Yeah. Under our digital journey, taken up interested to our DCOE team. And of course, I don't say that this is something new, but of course it is in the banking industry in terms of robots or something like that. Other banks have done it, but what we had done is we learned from their mistakes, and those things are properly addressed here. So I am sure that this particular virtual robot, whatever that we have created, it would continue to be relevant in the future also. So it is a very good initiative, successfully implemented by our DCOE team, and I compliment the entire members of DCOE. Of course, our CBO, Mr. Gopaldas Pai, was there to guide them at all the time. Even I was really appreciative of the spirit of your performance. Even the COVID-19 also could not stop us. So with that, you have really done a wonderful job. Take it to a new height. See, when we are dreaming of becoming a digital bank of the future, all of us should collectively visualize that, because whatever that you have visualized today morning may become obsolete tomorrow morning. This is the challenge that you have to face. Second one is the security related things. These are the two major challenges. Anyhow, we will be discussing that in that. Yes.
Unveil the kiosk.
Your DigiHuman Interactive Relationship Assistant from Karnataka Bank Limited. How may I help you today?
Both voice and text, both are
Yeah,
there.
both are there. So I'll show one flow which is about the car loan. Customer asks about the car loan and the lead is captured from the customer. I want a car loan.
Got it. Let me see. Hold on, I will do that for you. Alright, what is your source of income?
Salaried individual.
Space here,
Let me
front,
see. I am getting that information for you right now. Please wait. I can do that for you. Okay, please enter your annual income below.
20 lakh rupees.
Okay, let me get that for you.
Well done. Thank all of you for pilot launching this DhIRA today. I think it will take us to a great heights in future when it comes in the web. And I don't say that this will replace human beings, but it will definitely
Help.
if not replace, it will equal human beings. I think this will be our dream, one of the dreams for our digital bank of the future.
Hi there, how may I help you today? I am glad that you are interested in the KBL Express car loan. Do you have an existing relationship with Karnataka Bank? Sure, KBL has one of the best schemes available for car loans. What feature would you like to know about? Got it. Minimum net monthly income is Rs 15,000.
Car loan age limit.
The minimum age limit to apply for KBL Express car loan is 18 years and maximum is 70 years of age. I see. Salaried, self-employed agriculturists are eligible to apply for the loan. Loan can also be availed in the name of proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership firm, cooperative societies, companies incorporated under Companies Act.
Tell me about method of repayment.
The method of repayment is an equated monthly installment inclusive of principal amount and interest. What loan amount are you looking for? Please fill up your details and I will have an executive reach out to you. Thank you. An executive from our team will contact you soon. Meanwhile, you can have a look at our other products. Got it. I am glad that you are interested in the KBL Express Home Loan. KBL has one of the best schemes available for home loans. What feature would you like to know about? Up to Rs 500 lakh for purchase or construction and up to Rs 30 lakh for renovation, remodeling, extension, repair. What loan amount are you looking for? You can fill out your details for a representative to contact you. Thank you. An executive from our team will contact you soon. Meanwhile, you can have a look at our other products. If you wish to open an account, please scan the QR code below.
This DhIRA concept, which is going to be introduced by our bank, is really a very attractive concept. And with this, I think we can go forward in our retail banking business. If the data which we get in this is transported to our retail banking marketing, that will be wonderful. So we have just launched the pilot launching, and it has to catch up with all the ideas that have been given just now in the launching function. And let this DhIRA function, the DhIRA conceptualize very well, and it will be one of the best of its products in the banking industry. I wish all the best. Thank you.
This DhIRA is going to be the digital face of Karnataka Bank going forward. So our Digital Center of Excellence team, they have come out with this new concept, which is going to revolutionize and also digitalize all the banking activities from the point of view of customer as well as from the point of view of bank. I wish all the success to the DhIRA concept of Karnataka Bank.
DhIRA will be our digital face in future. So when we are aiming to become digital bank of the future, DhIRA will be one of our representatives in the future. DhIRA not only recognizes our voice, but also we can text and get the answers. DhIRA will give the features of all our products, and DhIRA will also clarify certain doubts which we have, or any customers will have some doubts. DhIRA will clear it, and it will help the customer to complete the transactions. Our DCOE has done well in conceptualizing this DhIRA and taking our digital journey forward. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Digitization is nothing but reimagining the customer journey. In that direction, today the soft launch has marked that reimaginating the customer journey. In a way, it is a digital brochure, more than a digital brochure. You will get not only the product information but also the related the terms and conditions of a particular product. So this is only just a beginning. Going forward, we have a bigger plans of taking it to the customer point. Now it will be located in the branch location, away from the customer. When the customer is visiting the branch, instead of interacting with the counter staff, he will be more conveniently interacting with the machine with the same human touch. So going forward, when other version is being launched, so customer at his convenient place, at his convenience time, he will be able to access this platform. I wholeheartedly recognize the effort of DCOE team and wish them all the best going forward. Thank you.
Initiative for Karnataka Bank in the form of DhIRA has come out. It has come out in a different way, in a novel way. I am sure it is going to further improve and have not virtual but a real interaction with a customer, having a real interaction with a own KBL family servicing the customers. DCOE has come out with a very good product, and I wish all the best for them to improvise it and have the best of the product in the industry. Wish you all the best to the whole team members. Thank you.
Congratulations team DCOE, it's a wonderful product for beloved KPL, and I am sure with this DhIRA initiative, our customer expectations will be fulfilled in a better way, and long live DhIRA, DCOE and KPL. Thank you.
DhIRA is a first of kind AI product of the bank. The vision is not just to give a AI product, but it has to be the future face of the bank. And we are thinking not as a customer facing appliance, it will be the future delivery channel for every other services. DhIRA will be AI as well as the machine learning and all the technology related products and delivery of our products to the customer, not only on the location where this is installed. We are thinking on their fingertips. It may be on the website or on our other channels like mobile banking or other products. We thank for the wholehearted support from our management as well as other DaveAI in developing and delivering this product. Thanks for that.
Karnataka Bank, under the able leadership of our beloved MD Mahabaleshwara sir, dreamt about a transformation, and the seed was sown 2.5 years back. Today we take one more step towards being a bank of future by introducing DhIRA, the Digi Human Interactive Relationship Assistant, which is envisaged to enhance customer experience and help the bank with customer onboarding. It is the first in the kind AI ML NLP based bot which can interact both in text as well as in voice, and we believe that it will become the future face, digi face of the bank. At this point, I would also want to thank the department, the BBDC department, as well as the credit department, who worked with us to enable the first 6 products at DhIRA. At a later stage, we will work closely to integrate all our website related pages onto DhIRA to make it a single point for the customer to navigate and to do transactions through DhIRA. So we wish that this project is successful, and we look forward to continued support, and we will work tirelessly towards making the bank of future possible.
Respected sir, really it's a wonderful thing. I think for the first time Karnataka Bank is coming out with artificial intelligence replay through voice messages, which is one of the need of the hour in this new technology era, whereas it helps a lot in retail banking and as well as term deposits, CASA and all loan products. I think it will be a very useful and very fast approach for the customer as well as the bank, and also in the lead generation, especially this is the need of the hour. In lead generation also it is going to help a lot to all our Karnataka Bank customers. We look forward and we assure you to take this forward, a great journey, a digital era in Karnataka Bank. Thank you sir. Thank you very much.
Most important. So we are launching DhIRA into our KBL family. This is an artificial intelligence based natural language processing model that is currently learning, but we hope that this DhIRA will be our virtual assistant for us, and it will help us and also the customers, and it will help our family to serve better. Thank you.
Moving towards digital bank of the future, DhIRA is one product which has leveraged new age technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this Digi Human Interactive Relationship Assistant would, we are very confident that this would improve the customer experience, and this would help us in capturing the leads and nurturing them as well. Going forward, we would fine-tune the product and give this as a much mature product to the public. Thank you.
I would say that Karnataka Bank, who are kind of well known as the first of the generation of premium private sector bank, in this digital transformation journey. So, which is really exciting news that that we have the chance to work with them into this so-called digital banking, which is combination of physical and digital world together. This is kind of new concept to that. So this digital center of excellence that introduced by Karnataka Bank was one of the major initiatives that for that transformation. They named it like KBL Vikas more than a year ago. So post-COVID pandemic, it has accelerated the needs of the contactless banking in a big way in the days to come. So one can experience contactless banking powered by the digital solution in all spheres of the banking, such as payment, settlement system, account opening, credit section, and collection. So I would say that Karnataka Bank is actually on the right direction, and they have been very progressive in adopting technology to align with their vision, to transform the bank digitally with the focus of the customer's experience first. India is very excited that Karnataka Bank is rolling out this virtual sales avatar-based digital, as I say, combination of physical and digital banking initiative at their bank branches. I would say that this is the first step that banking are taking the virtual assistant to their branches for the customer service. So in order to make this happen, Intel can't make this alone. We are working with a wide range of ecosystem. For example, our ISV, independent software vendor partner, DaveAI, and a hardware kiosk partner like Bits and Byte in this initiative to enable this end-to-end solution for the Karnataka Bank. The virtual avatar also can help to detect the human emotion and react verbally as well as physically through the facial expression. It will deliver a personalized value selling experience, which is very unique to every prospective customers, especially image product discovery experience. I would say that virtual avatar bank branches where the user can really help to resolve their queries, clarification, discover, or even apply, with or actually without or minimum the assistance from the user or the officer in the bank branches itself. We're solving a lot of their queries even before you reach all these officers. I'm sure that the impact of this experience will be actually able to bring in more happy customers or more delighted customers, and they will prefer the services that offered by the banks. And this bank, digital bank, or branch in the box definitely will equip with a lot of self-service kiosks with virtual avatar, which I just mentioned a couple minutes ago, because it's really able to help the bank to do a lot of offsite deployment. And also it can be even installed in all the locations that require, like even in the big mall, in the small mall, or even in some of the convenience store. With that, I do believe that what the Karnataka Bank have been introducing this new concept branch in the box will really complement what they have in their digital transformation.
The pandemic has been difficult for all of us, but every difficult situation also presents an opportunity. The opportunity was technology acceleration. The pandemic has seen technology acceleration across all walks of life. The banks, in pursuit of creating contactless solution and to give a better user experience for their customers, started adopting AI technologies. With respect to KBL, they have been progressive in adopting technologies aligning to their mission of being tech-savvy and customer-centric company. The objective was to create an interactive and personalized user experience to the customer using AI-based 5G digital technology at their branches and e-lounges. And we take this moment to congratulate KBL, and we are very proud to be part of this initiative through our ecosystem partner, DaveAI. Technology augments user experience. It empowers organization and their customers. While implementing latest technology is critical for banks and the financial institutions, we can't forget the human aspect to drive engagement, customer loyalty, and the brand satisfaction. For a simple example, if you take the customer service, the machine can give the plans, but it will not be able to explain the nuances unless until we train them. So we should make sure there are enough interventions from the human aspects of it. It is predicted that technology play a major role in the long term in the way how people bank. So it is the ecosystem responsibility to make sure there are no leaks in the personal data which customers provide to the bank. With India being the youngest demographic and the adoption of smarter devices, when people walk into the banks, 70% of them are already reaching out to the digital mediums. How this can help is that the transactional stuffs can be handled by the digital mediums. It can collect a limited information about the customer, and the backend team can help them to personalize it. At the same time, some of the transactions like check depositings, or it could be debit card dispensing, those transactions can be taken care by these avatars, virtual avatars, and the bank can focus on the core banking or the process, which is key for their success, which itself is a huge transformation in terms of efficiency improvement.
Hi, I'm Anantha Krishnan. I'm the CTO and the co-founder of DaveAI. Today I'm going to talk to you about what we did along with Karnataka Bank. So we launched an avatar for Karnataka Bank called DhIRA. DhIRA is a digital human interactive relationship assistant, and we plan to deploy DhIRA across different real estates of Karnataka Bank, like for example a kiosk in some of their branches, on their website, or on self-help pages where their customers can interact with DhIRA, ask questions in natural language, and also get suggestions about how they can apply for the product, about details of the product, if they have any questions about the things like some terms and conditions and stuff like that. DhIRA really enables Karnataka Bank to reach out to their customers directly in an automated way. We have already deployed it in 3 locations within Karnataka Bank, and what we are seeing is that a lot of customers, they are very happy to interact with DhIRA. They don't want to disturb the other branch staff and instead ask the questions to DhIRA. So this makes the branch staff more productive and gets them to work on more important things that is required for the bank, or only deal with customers at a slightly later stage after they are qualified and they have already got all the basic answers that they need, and DhIRA is able to answer the questions that the customers are able to ask. DhIRA is one of the cutting edge technology that we have deployed across India in different banks. What DhIRA does is that DhIRA is able to coordinate different sources of information like speech, camera, and also kiosk input, the touch input from the kiosks, and assimilate all this data in order to understand what the customer really needs and what the customer is looking for, and provide the suitable answer to the customer. Not only this, it helps the sort of nudge the customer towards using some of the products of the bank by giving them pieces of information that they would otherwise not be able to get from other sources, or by reading on the internet and things like that. So we try to nudge them to use or at least apply for the different products that Karnataka Bank is offering to their customers. So this is one of the first in kind deployments that we have with Karnataka Bank, and I would like to share with you that we are really looking forward to this particular venture with Karnataka Bank, and I wish for both the parties to have high success in this venture. Thank you. Hi, I'm Anantha Krishnan, CTO and co-founder of DaveAI, and I would like to extend the vote of thanks today. First of all, I would like to heartily thank Mr. Pankaj Gupta, who has been the guiding force behind the concept of DhIRA. He is the Chief Digital Officer and Chief Digital and Marketing Officer, and I think without him, this whole project of DhIRA would not have been conceptualized at all. He helped us right through the way in defining the scope of DhIRA, giving us a vision, and also looking into some details of how we would be able to integrate with the bank. I would also like to thank Mr. Umesh Karanth and Mr. Prakash Burugapalli, who have been working with us on a day-to-day basis and helping us with everything that you're seeing today in the demonstration. Mr. Trivikrama, who's the DGM at Karnataka Bank, he was he helped us by giving us resources and time, and helped us a lot with the processes within the bank. Mr. Santosh, who is the head of the Digi branch, and Mr. Srikanth, who is the chief manager of the Kodalbel branch in Mangalore, where we first launched these 2 kiosks. They have been very helpful with in terms of the logistics and support, providing us with the support from the locations. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Mr. M.S. Mahabaleshwara, who is the MD and Chief Executive Officer, for supporting us and providing us with a vision of how to take DhIRA further and make it one of the best in the class products and best in the class services also. Intel has been one of our major partners who has helped us not only with the hardware and the configuration, but also helped us in terms of some support and logistics, and they have been a rock solid force with us, and we have a great we attribute a lot of our success to Intel, and thank you. With this, I'd like to conclude the vote of thanks. Thank you.